Hi, welcome back to the Japan Vlogs. I just want to do a quick little video about the Hilton Tokyo Bay because I mentioned in a previous video I would give a little kind of guided tour of the facilities in the lobby there. I've already done the room tour and you can see that in the first travel day vlog, but this is more about the lobby area and the shops and the amenities that are on the ground floor of why kind of our stay here at the Hilton Tokyo Bay was really, really nice for us and why it was really comfortable for us to stay here to visit the Tokyo Disney Resort rather than staying at an official Disney hotel. So I do recommend this place to stay if you are booking from the US and overseas and don't really know a lot about the area yet. This was a great place to stay. The monorail is right across the street and you pretty much have everything you need inside the hotel. They're really helpful. They spoke English. They were able to really help you out. So I do recommend staying here. So here's a little tour of what's inside the lobby area of the Hilton Tokyo Bay. Enjoy! Alright, here is the lobby of the Hotel Hilton Tokyo Bay. They have this really cute little kids section playing Frozen right now. It's cute. Cool Metro Mod lights. You excited? Okay, so if you go down, there's like tons of stuff here. But once you check in, they have a Disney store, they have cafes, they have multiple restaurants, and they also do ticket sales. So once you come in, this is the main entrance area, and then right next to it, this is the Disney ticket group area. And then if you go further, they have the Disney store. And this is where, I guess, where the breakfast is happening, which is really nice. And the cool wind chimes, it's summer. And they have this cute, like, selfie area where you can take photos of yourself. Right, so if you're like, yay, Hilton Tokyo Bay. It's cute, huh? So you go further down, there's two sets of elevators. Our room is actually closer to the other set of elevators, but there's another one over here if you need to. You can do weddings here. There's another restaurant that goes down, there's a Chinese restaurant. This is what the map looks like to the hotel. They even have a beauty salon. You can do a whole wedding. Everything is here. They have a florist. They have this little shop. It's closed right now.
Morning special. Coffee
they have
bread
breakfast.
For 500 yen.
Coffee and bread, although it still looks like it's closed. Hasn't fully opened yet.
Because it's not fully 7 a.m. yet.
Yeah.
Oh, actually it's 7 a.m. right now.
There's an ATM here if you need it. And then there's more lobby. I guess this is more like the grand entrance area. I guess if you're going to have more of a reception, this might be really nice to do it in.
That be a lounge.
Yeah. But then eventually you come over here in this little hallway. And they have here a florist. Oh, how pretty. Oh, look at the little Mickey Minnie bouquets and a little Cinderella slipper. Joyce, you'd love that. How pretty. And then, oh, so cute. This is cast members only. I don't know what this area is for. This is the Disney Fantasy Store, but it's not. I think it's Tinkerbell. But it's not open yet. But this is where I got the pass holder bags. So they'll open soon. And here is where, oh, there's another ATM here if we need it. But this is open 24.
This is a real ATM. I think the other one said it was a money exchange. So
oh yeah.
I think it would be better to go
And this is open 24 hours. So anytime you want to come by, you can get stuff. They have umbrellas, which is necessary, postcards,
over here, Dior strips.
Makeup, a lot of pantyhose, underwear, towels, socks. Oh, here's some really good SPF, Alan. This is supposed to be really good too. I'm gonna stock up on some of this stuff before. Oh, they also have these cooling pads where it's basically like a wipe and it's supposed to cool you down. So I think I might get a packet of this for us.
They're playing Cinderella in the back.
Yesterday they were playing a Tangled song in Japanese. That was cool. So these cooling bags are really good. They have souvenirs for the rugby tournament that's happening. These hats are so cute. Everybody's dancing. Tons of ice cream. Ooh. Oh, there's Coolish.
Minions.
And they have beer drinks, hard liquor just out in the open too. Not even in the US, it's always under a locked case in some instances, at least or high up in the shelf or behind the cash register in smaller shops like this, but it's Japan. Tons of snacks here if we want to get snacks. Canned things, if you need to get that. I guess these are really good drinking snacks while you're drinking and up, chowing down. Oh yeah, all of their couple noodles. I know, but there's like soups. Yeah, and like little mini cups of things to eat.
And then they have tiny drinks over there too. Or tiny
Those are like
something.
energy drinks. So they have pudding. They love pudding here. They have a cafe. Little cans of one-shot like coffee bits. Oh, Starbucks has made their way in with matcha tea lattes. And then these are all energy drinks or digestives, but also medicinal things that you can get. It's not like Red Bull, but it's more like dietary supplement drinks. Although they do have Red Bull. And then the wall of Cup Noodle. I kind of want to go to the Cup Noodle Museum where you can make your own cup noodles. Kind of tempted, but it's a little far off. You have to make a little train ride out. Mini Haagen-Dazs caramel butter cookie flavor. What? Sounds good. And then the endless teas. They have real food too. Oh yeah, the hot food. This is where I had the tuna and egg sandwich. It was so good. Oh yeah, little bentos. So if you wanted sushi, noodles, egg, meats. I had this one yesterday, the tuna and egg. It was so good.
They have a little soba thing now.
Yeah, soba noodles, wraps. Yeah, onigiri. Oh yeah, so many onigiris.
Oh my goodness gracious. What hotel have I been to that has a big thing?
It's only $3. That's insane. Yum. It looks yum.
You should get one of these.
Oh, you want to buy some onigiri for the park?
If you want.
There's not a lot for Alan to eat as a vegetarian, so I think it might be worth it to get some sustenance that's not ice cream.
Like late at night before have the munchies to come down here and get some.
Oh yeah.
Is there open?
This is the ume. This is just nori. This is the mentaiko, this is the tuna. So probably you just want this one, the plain one. Oh, Alan, look too. These fancy canned fruits.
You see they have Mickey Minnie shaped water bottles.
Oh, that's so cute. Toy Story.
Yeah, it's a Toy Story.
Oh, maybe I'll get a bottle for
This Joyce
Joyce.
would really like. Ooh, unless they fall off.
I can check that, right? I can check a bottle of water.
I think
Yeah.
so, yeah.
Oh, that's so
Though
cute.
it's not really been the water, it's
And
the
the Mickey.
bottle. You can always just send that.
I know, it's so cute. Okay. Oh, the fan. That's going to be important too. Tango.
Oh, they're doing an elevator music version of Try Everything by Shakira.
Oh yeah, they love Zootopia here.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Who doesn't love it?
Ooh, bread. Oh, you want to get some pastry? Yakisoba bread. I've only ever seen this in anime. I can't imagine eating it. It must like be carb on carb on carb. They have...
Late night lunches, I might come and get some soda.
Yeah, totally. Okay, we're gonna check out and then get over to the parks because we have time. We're gonna go, yay! So I hope you enjoyed the little tour of the hotel. I will say we stayed 5 nights here, and for the price of 5 nights, at the time we went was late June, early July. The prices for 5 nights here equaled maybe 2 nights at the official Tokyo Disney Resort hotels. That was a big point in which we made our decision, was simply the price. You couldn't beat the level of comfort and space and the amenities of the Hilton Tokyo Bay versus the price of the official Tokyo Disney Resort hotels. I was really tempted. They were so cute, those hotels, and you know, I mean, who wouldn't love to stay at the Miracosta? But the prices were just so high. I think later on, it might be one of my bucket list things to do, to be able to stay at even like the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. But for now, on our first trip, because we really wanted to spend as much time as possible in the parks, it made sense for us to take 5 nights at a cheaper hotel to actually spend more on souvenirs and days in the park than it was to spend it on hotels. That's usually how I factor things when I'm planning trips, but you might feel a different way. It's totally up to you how you plan your trips. I'm going to be doing later on a kind of top 10 tips and tricks to planning a Tokyo Disney Resort vacation. So stay tuned for that, and I will kind of break down more into numbers what our trip budget actually looked like, and what actually made a lot of our decisions for us. But I will say one of the best deals we got, signing up to be, you know, a Hilton Honors member, free online, and then checking the prices at the Hilton Tokyo Bay, because they often do have sales and deals. So check them out, see what your dates are. If you can get a really great nightly rate, I say go for it. This place was amazing. We will definitely be back. All right, I hope this video helped you out, and stay tuned for new vlogs coming up soon. Bye.